Hey everybody! In today's video, I'm going to show you the new Hero Arts kit, and I'm going to show you how I made this galaxy background, actually using the technique from my last video. So I'm going to create some dry embossed stars on a piece of cardstock. You can see them here with various sizes of styluses, which I still don't know if those are called styli. I go back and forth. I don't know. Maybe. In my mind, it's styli. That is the plural. But anyway, I love this set of styluses because it does give me the flexibility to make different size little stars so that it looks like a more realistic galaxy. Now these are new colored pencils to me, and I am in a bit of a colored pencil phase where I'm really sort of revisiting these and how much I love them. These are new to me and I just love how they layer. So I'm using these to create the galaxy. And speaking of layers, colored pencil techniques are really about layering. So even though this looks really rough in the beginning, and you can see me sort of color blocking out a bunch of different areas, you can see as time goes on that adding layers with very light pressure sort of blends and intensifies the colors, and it's just a good thing. So don't be afraid to spend a little bit of time sort of working up to whatever your final layer is. The most important thing is do not apply super firm pressure when you're building up the layers, because that is going to reduce the blendability of the pencils over the length of time that it takes you to create this. So you'll see me sort of going back and forth between dark and light colors to blend them. This is the best way to get this done. And with a galaxy style colored pencil creation, you are going to want to put down your brightest colors first. So I put down the yellows and the greens and the blues and the pinks. And then as a last step, I will add the darker colors on top of that. And then I will finish it by blending all of that with a white pencil to give it sort of that Milky Way feel. So I will put on a little bit of music and let you enjoy the rest of this coloring and sort of how it comes together. So here's the finished card with this colored pencil technique. And then I have a bunch of other cards on my blog today with the amazing new Hero Arts release. I have fun mixed media cards like this beautiful chain link fence with the locks on it. I have a no line watercolor. I have some blending stencils. I have all kinds of stuff. So head over to my blog, and thanks so much for watching.